the cork extraction a damaging process to the tree?
Absolutely not.
But if you do it the wrong way, you're gonna damage the tree, man.
Yeah.
And when you damage the tree, you can leave a scar there that will never heal.
Hello guys.
Hello.
We are the red team and
Again.
today,
And today we'll explain and talk a little bit about cork properties.
Our question is how the cork was used in the future, in the past.
Hi, I'm Rita and I'm representing the blue team. The question that was made to us was if climate change affects cork production.
Today we have very important questions. So can a cork oak grow all over the world? And answer is no. Unfortunately, it can't.
Mainly because of two reasons, such as type of soil and humidity.
First one, density. If the density is not suitable, the cork can't be used. Thank you.
Secondly, cork surface structure production quality may decrease due to holes in the surface.
The porosity and the thickness also influence the cork that is used to make cork stoppers.
also in the cork stoppers, if there are some defects, for example like wormholes, earthy crack or yellow stain, it also affects the quality of the cork. And
so the cork oak is native to southwest Europe and also northwest Africa.